Hey y'all, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for rocking with your girl and welcome back. And if this is your first time here, your very first time here, let me know in the comments below how you guys found me. I love to hear those stories. And if you like what you see at the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we gonna be right back. Hey. So today's unit was sent to me by Ebonyline, so shout out to them and thank you kindly for sending me this unit. This is Outre's Melted Hairline in the style Seraphine, and I got it in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. And if you've been rocking with me these past few weeks, you know that I've been loving these browns, these auburns, all season long. So this is what the card looks like. And this is what the middle of the card looks like. It shows a few other colors that it comes in, and it does have an upcharge for specialty colors. It does range on their website for about $43, so the link for all that information is listed below. And this is definitely a melted hairline. Outre has been coming through with these melted hairlines, baby. So I wanted to do something a little bit fun and different today. I decided to style this unit because I wanted to see how well this hairline really melts, and this is what it's looking like. So I made a stupid mistake when I was cutting the ear tab, because the lace was like ear to ear. It came all the way down past my ears a little bit right here, and I was cutting the lace to shape my ear, and my dumb ass ended up cutting a little bit of the hair. So I tried to do this side. Stupid mistake on my end, but it is what it is. But yes, it's cute. I like this color. I like the unit. I do feel like it is a very cute unit. I do feel like it's very overpriced though, $42. And you guys, it's synthetic wig. I don't know, for me, I just can't get past the synthetic part, like the synthetic part of it, for the price range to be, you know, a little up there. With this unit, first of all, the cap size is very small. I will definitely say this cap size is a little snug. I'm more in the medium spectrum, but when I put it on, I was like, dang, this is really tight. So I would not recommend it if you have a big head. And it does have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. I didn't even do anything. The adjustable straps are on like the loosest setting, and yeah, so I am loving this color. You guys can see. So the only thing that I did was that I used my EBIN lace tint. And if you want the link to this, I got it in the color medium brown. The link for this is listed in my Amazon store below. And I sprayed the lace tint on, and then I did cut the lace. If you guys saw, I showed you earlier in the video how far in the lace I cut in. Honestly, I really just cut at the hairline, but instead of leaving out a little bit of lace, I do cut in a little bit. So I feel like that helps me blend in my units a little bit better. And honestly, I didn't even glue this part down. This part is like free balling right up here. I did glue down the sides and like the ear tabs because I wanted to lift this unit up, so when I lifted it up, it came up with it. Otherwise, if I was keeping the hair down, I wouldn't have glued it down at all. But yeah, so I did glue down this just so I can style the unit for you guys. It does have a little bit of shedding, minor tangling. It's not a lot, but it is long. Longer units do tend to tangle, but the great thing about this unit is that it doesn't really have a curl pattern to it, so there will be some longevity of the lifetime of the unit. You won't have to worry about that. But again, you guys, it's synthetic. I don't know how long y'all wigs are lasting or how long you're wearing them. But if you want to glue this unit down every single day, that's up to you. But I definitely would not recommend this as an everyday wig. So just keep that in mind. But I am glad that I was able to have a little bit of fun with this unit. It's cute. Definitely cute. There are baby hairs included in this unit. I did not feel the need. I didn't feel like I needed them. It has a 5-inch deep parting space. I don't know, like maybe because I'm on like video number 3 recording today, I just been doing stupid stuff. Like I used the wrong color. I used this dark brown color right here, the same color as my husband's hair. What is this, like an auburn? And I went in with the part, I messed it up. I'm like, what am I doing? I don't know, maybe I need to like eat something. But yeah, so I went in and I fixed it. But if it looks a little chalky, it's because I had to make it work. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. This was a kind of easy unit. You guys know that I don't like doing a lot of work, but I wanted to bring something a little bit different. So yeah, you can get away with not gluing this unit down because the cap size is so tiny, and it has an elastic band back there that can pull it tight. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, if you are big head friendly, I do not recommend this wig. But if you have a medium to small size head and you want something fun for the holidays, definitely a thumbs up in my book. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And it's holiday season. How are you guys doing? I'm alright. Trying to stay positive. A lot of things are changing around me, but yeah, you know, I'm hanging in there and trying to stay positive. What doesn't kill me only makes me stronger, right? But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.